What's up, you guys? It's your girl Dana and welcome to my channel. This is actually my very first YouTube video, so I am super excited, you guys, and I'm just so thankful that you've came and joined me to hear about my summer body routine and my secret tips on how to get that flat stomach, that really good core and really defined abs. So before I go in any further, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell. That way you'll receive updates and notifications on when I upload new content. And lastly, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and like this content. I would really appreciate it, you guys. So I do want to make sure that you do know that this video is how to get in shape for summer, how to get that beach body, I guess you would say, look. And what I've been doing to maintain it, I actually lost over 40 pounds 3.5 years ago. And I have been able to maintain it, maintain that weight, and be in the best shape and be happy and good mentality. And I've just never been so happy. So I think it's important that not only are we getting healthy with our bodies, but healthy with our minds and our overall well-being. So are you ready to join and learn some of my secret tips? Please know that this is for males and females, not just ladies, but I do have tips that this works for everybody, and it's been working for me. So let's get right in. Okay, you guys, so tip number 1 is you have to have the right mindset. What I like to say, it's 80% diet, 20% fitness, 100% mindset. If you don't have the right mindset, you're not going to achieve your goals. You're not going to get that beach body, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. You have to have the right mindset, because when you have that right mindset, you can tell yourself, I am going to achieve this. I am going to achieve every goal that I set. I am not going to cheat on my diet. I'm going to stick to my plan. I'm going to wake up and I'm going to crush this workout. I am going to get through this. I am not going to quit. I am going to chase and achieve my goals. I trust in you guys. I totally trust and believe in you guys. And it's so important that you really have that good mindset. If you can't hear these birds are really loud, but it's okay. But it's really important, you guys, that you just stick to your goals and you are just positive, and that say you're having a really bad day. This for your mental is really important. So put on a nice meditation. I definitely recommend on YouTube, Beck's Life. You can sit and just listen and calm down and ease your nerves. Or then if you just want to have some positive mantras, tell yourself, I believe in myself. I am more than a conqueror. I am a winner. I am an achiever. I got this. And if you want me to send you some emails, I can totally shoot you guys. If you say, Dana, can you send me some emails a couple of times a week just to get me through? I would love to do that. So please leave me in the comments if you want me to, if you think it might be a good idea that I set up an email just to send some really positive affirmations and some positive mantras, because we're in this together, you guys. We got this. So it's really important that you have that really positive mindset. So that's tip number 1, and let's get into tip number 2. Okay, you guys, so tip number 2 is you want to have a healthy diet. So your diet is the most critical component to having a healthy body. I always like to say, guys, these birds are kind of crazy, but it's okay. This is real life. I'm going to give you the real stuff. I'm not going to edit it out. So I like to say that you should shop the perimeter of a grocery store. So that's your produce, that's the fruits and vegetables, that's your poultry and your lean meats, that's your seafood and your non-dairy options. And some people do like Greek yogurt. It does work for their diets. Me particularly, I don't eat any dairy when I am trying to be in the best shape. So definitely avoid the inside of the grocery store. That's your GMO products. It's your factory made. It's everything that you should not be doing to get that beach body look. So avoid the inside of the grocery store and just eat and shop around the perimeter. That's a really good tip, you guys. So that's like my secret. I definitely recommend that you eat lean poultry, whether it's chicken. I like to grill all year round. You can go to like to Trader Joe's. They have a vegan pesto you can put on the chicken and throw it on the grill. It's delicious. Eating your leafy vegetables or broccoli, roasted Brussels sprouts. For me, guys, I'm not gonna lie, as you guys can tell, I am not gonna have steamed vegetables. It's not good. I mean, not to say it's not good, but for me, it's not something that I would be excited to eat about and be able to maintain. So I like to saute my vegetables, whether it's a little garlic and onion and olive oil, and sometimes you can add a little bit of vegan butter. I like to be able to enjoy my food and that it tastes good, but it's also really, really healthy for you. And guys, if you ask any guy, any girl that I am trying to help, I tell them that you must have that smoothie. It's just filled with protein and vitamins and minerals and nutrients, and it definitely just helps with your recovery and how you're going to feel and how your muscles are going to feel. So protein shakes are essential. Lastly, please, guys, cut out the dairy. Get rid of the dairy. Get rid of the pastas, those unhealthy carbs. Get rid of the potatoes. Get rid of junk food. Like I said in the beginning, anything that would be inside of the grocery store. And get rid of the candy and the white breads. Just try to be gluten-free for these next couple months, because that's when you're going to see the biggest difference. Okay, so tip number 3 is that you want to mix up your workouts. I generally like to work out 6 days a week, and on Sundays I like to do stretching or some yoga, but sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I like to get a little bit of cardio and if I have the time. So it's really important that you mix up your workouts. So whether that's cardio, strength training, Pilates, bar, leg day, glutes. Oh, glutes and leg day, not gonna lie, those are the tough ones, but those are, you want those nice legs, girls and guys. We like to have really nice calves and we like to have a nice booty. Sorry to say. So I personally do outdoor workouts, which is why you guys see me out here, and I like to do indoor workouts. I really recommend checking out Louise on YouTube, and also checking out Walk at Home with Leslie Sanson. And she has guys and girls on there that I have seen major transformation. So definitely make sure you check them out. I personally use them. I love them. Let me know if you want me to upload some workout videos. I would totally be down. And I think it's important that you guys do know that you take about 10,000 steps a day. And my last tip is get a workout buddy. Guys, get your boys, go play basketball, go play football, and girls, you can do that too. And girls, get a workout buddy. Walking with somebody, running with somebody, the time goes so much faster, and it also brings encouragement. So definitely get a workout buddy and get those 10,000 steps in and switch up your routine. Okay, you guys, so tip number 4 is hydrate with water. For the next couple months, if you really want to see a difference, you're going to cut out those sugary sodas. I don't know if I mentioned that. I might have mentioned that for tip number 2 is cut out the soda. No sugary drinks. Cut out the juice. For a couple months, you can do this. Only water. Only water. Okay, guys, and last tip of the day, tip number 5 is get some sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours a night and be consistent with your sleep schedule. Go to bed at the same time every night and wake up the same time every morning. When you lack sleep, it just makes your hormones all wacky, and then it also decreases your motivation to want to exercise. And our goal is that we want to get that fitness, we want to eat right, we want to have the right, we want to eat the same time, so you have to be on a consistent schedule. And also, good sleep produces productivity and great performance. So please get your rest. I personally like to get about 8 to 9 hours a night, every night. I have to get it. So very, very. Okay, you guys, so I hope these 5 tips help you, but I know they will. I know that if you guys consistently do this for the next couple months, you will see the biggest difference. And I want you to come back, whether you want to email me or leave me in the comments below that it did help you, that I know you will see the difference. I know that it will work. I also just encourage you guys to just keep checking out my page, because I plan on just posting some really fun tips, fun exercises maybe. If you guys want to see me cooking, some healthy recipes, some motivating stuff, beauty tips, hanging out with the guys, just having fun, then I will post and do that. So just stay tuned to my channel, and I thank you and for watching this video. I do apologize if the wind or the birds might have disturbed you, but this is just real life nature, and I love the nature. Okay, so if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like it, and hit that notification bell. Bye. I love you.